car has a thick layer of dirt on it. Look at that. I don't know if that comes up on camera, but I don't know. Maybe one day I'll actually fix it. I don't really care about it right now. Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That all depends on when you're watching this video. So, as you are undoubtedly aware, we're going to start this vlog off with a little bit of gas because I'm at 19 miles on my fuel trip, and I think this bike maxes out at like 20, 22 or something like that. We made it. Alright. I'd like to put regular in, but I'm tuned on 91. Let's reset this fuel trip. There you go. Before I get into this video, today is Veterans Day. So I do want to give a huge shout out to all those men and women who served before me that paved the way for me to serve as well. I want to give a huge shout out to all of those currently serving by my side across all 5 branches. I want to thank all you for your sacrifices. And as always, every single day that I serve is an honor to serve alongside everyone. All of my brothers and sisters in arms. All of those currently downrange in the AOR, I want to say thank you guys and come home safe to us. But anyway, let's get right into today's video. So I'm on my way towards San Francisco, but I'm not actually making it into San Francisco. There's a spot I went to, I don't know, it's got to be about 3 years now. 3 years ago. I think I'm going to go up to today. I'm on my way to, I don't even know what town it is. I'll put it up on the screen. But where I'm going is called Grizzley Peak. But the views from what I remember are super dope. Granted, it's probably going to be foggy or cloudy over San Francisco. It usually is around these times of the year. Oh, sweet Jesus. Damn, bro. I mean, get off this lane. And another one. Come on, people. Again, another one. And another one. Jesus Christ, man. Shit, people, get out of the f***ing lane. Okay, Trevor, calm down. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, everyone. My, New York came out and I'm a little impatient with people, especially drivers. Here's our exit. Memory serves me correct, which is very rare. I gotta make a left here. Oh, it's a turn lane. I'm confused. How? I don't know what just fucking happened. When people pull out in front of you and then go like 2 miles an hour. So this is where I'm not too familiar with these roads. So don't expect me to sit here trying to drag knee on them. But I guess just enjoy for now. God, I really hope the audio didn't crap out on me. Keep on pedaling. Oh my God, I'm about to have to go down to the first. This is bad. Oakland, west. I guess we're gonna go west and see what happens. I'm gonna have to find a spot to pull over. I don't know if this is it or not. Your boy's lost like usual. Okay, so I gotta turn around, go back up that way. So I was going the right way. All right, now we're on the right path, boys and girls. Again, I don't know these roads very well, so I'm not trying to scrape up my knees over here. Of course. Oh man. Stop looking at me. Of course, bicycles. Get off the road. This is gonna be a boring ride. Make sure there's no one coming around the corner. Alright. Now. Alright, we're going back up. Another one of the things I do want to point out, the most unforgiving thing, well, we'll say one of the most unforgiving things, besides cars pulling out in front of you, is debris. You got rocks, you got leaves, you got water that randomly just sprouts up. You have bicyclists. Yes, I consider bicyclists debris. When people come off of like their little parking areas, you have dirt, and then you have landscaping trucks. But all those things you do have to put in the back of your head and keep them there, subconsciously thinking of them. Stop there. These guys look like they're gonna talk. I don't want to talk to anyone. Oh, this is so nice up here. Let's see. Well, if I fall down the mountain, y'all know I'm at Grizzly Peak. Send help. Damn, you can get all the way down there. I probably can. Okay, so the topic I did want to talk to you guys about, let me just get up over here a little bit higher, was the future for YouTube, whether it be for me or for anyone else. So I know in the past I've watched some videos of other people that I do subscribe to, and I know they were mentioning stuff about being demonetized, some of their videos. I don't know, maybe it infringed on YouTube's policies and stuff like that. Let's update the gram real quick. So anyway, so I noticed a lot of my videos have been getting demonetized, and I wasn't sure why, but I do know that I have been getting demonetized. Oh yeah. Oh, shit. Out of my way, Bush. No idea why. It sucks. It really does. But it is what it is. Don't fall. Like I was saying, going back to the topic because I get sidetracked so fucking easily. I'm strongly considering demonetizing my videos. But that's where I stand with demonetizing. It's just one of those things where, I don't know, maybe YouTube just doesn't like motorcycle riders and what we're doing. But it seems that motorcycles are very, very popular with kids. They absolutely love them. They ask me to do wheelies, and I don't know how to fucking wheelie. It's like a raging war with YouTube, and unfortunately they're winning. Nothing we can do about that. I think this is where I had to go. Actually, I don't think this was where I had to go. Fuck me. God, I'm always lost. Now where am I? God, I always end up lost, even when I know where I'm going. I think we're on the right road now. I guess we'll have to wait and see. Do you guys ever hate when it's extended weekend and coming down to the wire, and one, you realize you've accomplished nothing and having 4 days off, and two, knowing that you have accomplished nothing and you still have to pack it all into your night, knowing that you have to wake up and go back to work the next day? If so, go ahead and hit that like button. Oh man, it is still absolutely gorgeous out. Gotta love this weather, to be honest with you. I mean, we're in mid-November and still 80 degrees. I'm still sweating. I really feel for all you guys seeing snow right now. Only you could be here riding. Oh my God. Sorry to all the people I got over. Now I feel like the dick following the fire truck. Sorry, fireman. So I think we're going to go ahead and end today's video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys aren't already doing so, please subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. Shoot over to my Instagram, show me some love, show me some support, or show me some hate. If you're in America, you're free to do as you please. Keep a little more up to date with what's going on in my, I guess, not really personal life, but the motorcycle and car life. I try my hardest to make things entertaining on my videos. Unfortunately, it never really goes that way. But you guys already know what to do. Stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life's goals. Always remember, nothing good in life ever comes easy. Now we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. Come on, bro.